Watch this video and learn how to draw a strawberry ice cream. Coming up later, Artie learns to count in a song break. And watch to the end to see some poetry from Louie. Ready, Artie?
Yeah.
Ready, little artists? It's time for Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Yeah. What are we gonna draw today?
We're going to draw one of your favourite things, an ice cream.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
It sure is.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone!
I'm so happy to see everyone today.
Are you ready, Artie?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to say that thing we talked about?
Yeah, Artie's been practicing. It's time to start and make some art. Yeah.
Very good, Artie. That was a really good rhyme.
I think it's time to start drawing. Drawing. It's time to start drawing.
Oh, Barry, you've started all the neighbourhood dogs barking again. Let's draw a back-to-front S shape. That's going to be the top of our ice cream.
Oh. Wow.
And a couple of curves on the right side.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Well, sort of, Barry, but I don't think you're going to win American Idol anytime soon. Your ice cream shape's looking really good, Artie.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
Sure is.
Another curve on the right, and then another one on the left to close up that top shape. Oh yes, this is really starting to look like a scoop of ice cream. Draw a curved line all the way across the bottom, Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
How's my favorite artist? I love that drawing. That looks so good.
Thank you.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
You know, so far this drawing is looking a bit more like Louie's hair than an ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, Louie, I'm just teasing. You have very nice hair. Now let's add a couple of eyes. A little circle on the left, and then another one on the right. That's it. Really good work, Artie.
Look at Artie go! Wow!
That's right, Barry. He's on a roll today. One more little black dot inside the right eye. There you go.
Oh, let's have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
Great idea.
Yeah. Okay. Song break. Yeah.
Now
was fun. Artie loves song breaks.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
It was.
Oh, thank you.
Let's get back to the drawing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all right.
Add a couple of eyebrows above the eyes. Coming up, Louie's going to read us some poetry. That'll be fun. Looking good.
Hi, Artie! Whoa! That drawing is so smooth. It's like a jazz scat. Scooby-doo-doo-ba-doo-ba-boo-ba-doo-doo. See you later.
Okay, thank you, Barry. I don't think we really needed that scat, but it's always welcome when we see you for a little bit of a song.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Well, guys, it's going to be an ice cream. You'll see soon. Once Artie's drawn a little bit more, I think you'll see the ice cream.
Oh, no. It sounds like Painty. Oh, no.
Oh, Painty, you've made a mess again. There's blue paint everywhere. I'm going to have to clean this up now. I'll be back in a second, Artie. I'm just going to get my cleaning stuff. Okay, I think I got it all. Painty is just such a nuisance, making a mess everywhere. What are you drawing now, Artie? Oh, it's a hand and an arm. That's so creative.
Say, Artie, that's a really cool drawing from a really cool dude. Makes me want to sing. Oh, 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 oh.
Barry, you've set the dogs off again. All the neighborhood dogs are barking now. Okay, Artie, let's draw this left arm and left hand. Very good.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Okay, Artie, now it's time to draw the bottom part of the cone. So draw an angled line down with a little hook on the end, and then another angled line with another little hook, and then connect the two together at the bottom.
In a supermarket. Could you believe I could... Oh, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today's poem is about something Artie really loves. Ice cream. Okay, here we go. Ice cream, cold and sweet. A yummy, melty, frosty treat. Chocolate, vanilla, or maybe swirl. Topped with sprinkles, give it a whirl. In a cone or in a cup. Scoop it high and eat it up. Ice cream's the best on any day. A chilly delight. Hip hip hooray! Marvellous, dear.
That was an awesome poem, Louie. I love how you did a poem all about Artie's drawing today, about ice cream. Now, Artie, let's add some sprinkles on top of the ice cream. Draw lots of little oval shapes, and then later on we'll colour them in different colours. Are you having fun, Artie?
Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, yeah.
And a few more sprinkles just randomly placed on top of the ice cream. Oh, here comes Bunny.
Hi, Artie.
Hi.
Oh, your drawing is positively perfect.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. See you soon, my artsy friend.
Bye.
Well, that was a nice little visit from Bunny Fluffington. She's so cute. Did you know, Artie, that Mikey Marker doesn't like ice cream? I know, weird, right? Everyone likes ice cream. It's looking pretty finished, Artie.
I'm finished.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
It needs a little something.
We could color it in.
Great idea.
Say, Artie, I think you should color it in. Color it in, color it in. Color, color, color it in.
Great job on the colouring, Artie.
Yeah, all done. Colored in.
It looks tasty.
Yeah.
It's so realistic.
Oh, yeah.
It's making me want
Yeah.
ice cream. Yummy.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
See you later, Artie.
Well, that's a wrap on the Artie Show. Keep drawing and keep singing.
We hope you had fun. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Have an Artie day. Bye. Bye.
Wow!